We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello, good morning to all. Today we have to study about the simple vertical boiler. This topic are covered in the basic of mechanical engineering. The subject is come in the first sem and second sem of the degree engineering. Topic to be covered in this slide: what is boiler, introduction, understanding of boiler, boiler working as a simple vertical boiler, industrial simple vertical boiler, and specification of simple vertical boiler. What is boiler? This is the main important part of this topic. In the first, we have to study about the boiler. How many types of the boiler are available? There is a mainly 2 types of the boiler: water tube boiler and fire tube boiler. There is a mainly 2 types. Then after the many more types are available as per the requirements. First, let us consider the terms heat. Heat is a vital in the everyone day to day lives. We know that the heat and temperature, if we have to increasing temperature, the heat also increases. If you have to decreasing temperature, heat also decreasing. There is a one type of the heat in the boiler mostly work based on heat transfer from one fluid to another fluid. Whenever it we heat warm up the our surrounding or heat to be able to cook food, we also use it to some extract in our day-to-day activity. What I have to example is given is for using of heat for cook the food. You know that the in our home the pressure cooker is the one of the device to cook fast or speedy. In the inside of the pressure cooker, we have to put some food with the water. Then after we have to give the external heat of the cooker and it gain heat. The temperature of the water rise up to atmospheric temperature to 100 centigrade. Then after the 100 centigrade, the water are converted into the steam. It means the liquid form converted into the gas, but the gas is required more and more space. In the case of pressure cooker, the volume is fixed. If you have to fix the volume, the inside the pressure are increasing by the converting of liquid water into the steam gas, and the pressure is on the cook food and it will be cooked fastly. There is also one type of the boiler as a pressure cooker. Water and steam are great heat carriers and are not damaging our environment. Why we have to using boiler, and what is the working fluid of boiler? Because we have to use water inside the boiler. Working fluid is water. Because of that, there is no damaging or not damaging our environment. The boiling point of the water at atmospheric pressure is 100 centigrade. That is converted to liquid form to gaseous form. There you have to give 2 example of the boiler. We cannot say that the boiler is the industry use. It's a pressure cooker also one type of the boiler. There is a pressure cooker. We have to put some water with a food and give a externally heat to a cooker. After the reaching of the saturation point at 100 centigrade, water converted into the steam and steam coming out from the cooker. There is also one type of the boiler. If you have to put some weight on the pressure cooker, that's we have to say as a dead weight valve to protect the cooker against the higher pressure. The higher pressure cook the fast food. Next is a industrial boiler. Industrial boiler is a large size compared to our pressure cooker. There is a input as a water. There is a output of steam. There is a safety valve against the protect against the higher pressure. There is a externally heat we have to give the boiler to convert water into the steam. Introduction that this is the simple type of the fire tube boiler. A simple vertical boiler produces a low pressure and small quantity of the steam. It occupies very less space, so it is used where limited space is available. Simple vertical boiler is a very small size, so the operating pressure is very lower. Quantity of the steam generation capacity also lower. We can move one place to another place. We discussed about the simple vertical boiler working design and its parts, simple vertical boiler diagram in the next slide. This is the figure of simple vertical boiler. We have to mention all the points. First, starting from the bottom of the boiler, there is a S-pit. S-pit means the working of S-pit. First, we have to study all terminology with its working. Then after we have to go through a boiler working. First is S-pit. The S-pit working is that the collect the S from the grate. What is the grate? Grate is the initial platform provide to coal which we have to burning the in ignition chamber. Firebox is the way to ignite the coal, and all the flame are collected in the which box, that will call a firebox. Cross tube, there is a many more cross tube available in the boiler due to the heat transfer rate increasing, and many more energy we have to transfer heat energy to water and water to formation of steam. Firebox, that's all are the part considered as a firebox. Then we have to fire is coming from the grate. Cylindrically cell, these are the cylindrically cell of the boiler where you have to collect the formation of steam. Safety valve, safety valve gives the safety at higher pressure. If the boiler is goes to a operating in a higher pressure, if you have to not provide a safety valve, the boiler will be a blast. At the critical pressure, the safety valve are operated and it gives the safety against the higher pressure. This is the feed check valve. Feed check valve means we have to give water inlet to the boiler to maintaining a water level inside the boiler, because of the some of the water are converted into steam and steam are coming out of the boiler to useful work. The working of feed check valve is to give water input the boiler. Fire hole, fire hole is the primary air input to the firebox to complete ignition inside the firebox. Hand hole, most of the boiler are common part is the hand hole. Hand hole is that we have to use in a shutdown time. Shutdown means we have to stop the boiler and cleaning or maintenance are required. That time the hand hole are using to cleaning the boiler. Fusible plug, fusible plug gives the higher temperature side safety or low water side safety. Water level indicator, water level indicator mention the water level inside the boiler, how many water level are inside the boiler, low level, higher level or medium level. Manhole, this is also used as the stop condition or shutdown condition to cleaning of the boiler inside of the boiler. There is a pressure gauge to know the pressure inside the boiler, how many pressure are operating in the boiler. Next is steam stop valve. Steam stop valve is mainly function of the boiler at the VO2 producing steam at sustained level. The steam stop valve are operate and give the steam output from the boiler as required our pressure limitation. We have to start how it's working. First, we have to apply a coil inside the firebox, and after the for primary air are passed through the fire hole. Grate is provided initial platform to the coil to ignite. This is the first stage. We have to ignite the coil, and the generation of heat is transferred upward direction due to the density difference and pressure difference. Then after this flue gases are generated, higher temperature is contact with the cross tube. Then after the heat is transferred to the chimney and goes out to a atmosphere. This is the working of fire side. Secondary is water side. We have to fill up the water inside the boiler. There is a dotted mark is mentioned as a water inside the boiler. From the heat absorption of the flue gases, the water are heated and internally circulated by natural circulation due to the density difference, means higher dense water coming from the bottom side and lower dense water goes to the upper side of the boiler. After the saturation level, water are converted into the steam, and the all steam are collected on the cylindrically cell. That means this cell are collected the all steam particle inside the steam or cylindrically cell. The saturation temperature of the water is 100 centigrade. After the completion of saturation level, the water are converted into the steam and steam collected by the cylindrically cell. Then after it's creating a pressure inside the cylinder because of the gases are require more and more space, but the volume of the boiler are fixed. There is creating a inside the pressure. The initial pressure comes, the steam stop valve are operated and it's give the steam out from the boiler, and steam are utilized for the further purpose. Working of simple vertical boiler, as we have to discuss, it consists of cylindrical cell surrounded by the vertical cylinder. Box name is called a firebox. This is slightly tapered towards the top of the cell to allow ready passage of the steam to surface. Means that the all steam are collected in the cylindrical cell which are made from the boiler. At the bottom of firebox is a grate. The firebox is fitted with two or more inclined cross tube. Firebox there is a two or more tube are inclined in the box because of the we have to give higher heat transfer rate to increasing the surface area. These tubes are used to increase the heating surface of the simple vertical boiler and also increase the water circulations. At the top of firebox there is a stack produce a natural draft. Top of the firebox is a stack, means the firebox there is a cylindrical shape and it's a completely vertical shape into the atmosphere condition is create a natural draft, means higher temperatures and low dense flue gases coming out from the chimney, and primary air and higher dense are enter into the fireworks. That's called a natural draft. Hand hole are provided at the end of cross tube to clean them, as we have to discuss. The main hole is also available at the top of cell for men enter into the boiler for cleaning and maintenance at the shutdown condition or any stop condition. Whenever the boiler is choked up, it's necessary to require cleaning of the boiler. That's time the hand hole and main hole are required to cleaning purpose. A mud hole is provided at the bottom of the cell to remove the mud that settled down. Mud hole is provided at the bottom of the cell. Due to the higher coal collected in the grate, many more type of the ash, sometime of the in the moisture condition, the ash are which jam with the bottom condition of the boiler and choke up the firebox. That's time the mud hole is required to cleaning or settle down of the ignition chamber. The space between the boiler cell and firebox is fitted with the water to be heated. The cell side and firebox are fitted or covered with the firebox. Initially heat up of the boiler. A tubular gauge glass is also provided to see water level inside the boiler. That's we have to say as a water level indicator is a tubular gauge glass tube. We note that the inside the level of the boiler is lower, higher or medium. Pressure gauge, safety valve, air vent valve and steam supply valve are also installed there at the top of the crown plate. Here to see some real live simple vertical boiler which are using in industrial. This is a simple vertical boiler. This is a pressure gauge, secondary pressure gauge. This is a water level indicator. This is the main fire hall. This drum is cylindrically drum with the steam is collected. This part is the boiler cell. There is the water fillet. This part is ignition chamber. That's the coal we have to ignite it. This valve is safety valve to give the safety against the higher pressure. This the last portion is chimney where the flue gas is coming out from the boiler. Specification of the simple vertical boiler. The boiler diameter is normally 3 feet and 9 inch to 5 feet and height is 9 feet. This is a very small type of the boiler. The combustion gas flow from the furnace and pass around the tube. This is the way we have to given in the flue gases to atmosphere rejection. These gases escape to the atmosphere through the chimney. Due to the natural circulation of hot water move from the lower end and higher end, supply of the steam is then regulated through stop valve. This is the shortest sentence for the whole working of the boiler. Another is that this boiler is given low pressure up to 5 bar pressure. Steam generation capacity is low, nearby 2500 kg per hour. There is a very low steam generation capacity. Advantages and limitation of the simple vertical boiler. This boiler is compact and require less space because of the small sizes. No require heavy foundation. This base installation is not required. Gas directly tower to the chimney because of the path of ignition chamber to chimney is a vertical form and natural draft is available. There is a gas directly tower to the chimney. Heat transfer effectiveness is low, so lots of heat are vast. There is a vertical boiler. No number of the tube is crossed. 2, 3 or maximum to 5 tube are crossing. The heat surface area and heat transfer area is very low. So lots of heat are wasted in a simple vertical boiler. Produce up to maximum 10 bar pressure, and steam generation capacity is 2500 kg per hour. Means this boiler is a very simple and low capacity of the boiler. Thank you.